Just a quick video here. I got this old Dodge, blew the tire valve out of the wheel, and I really didn't want to have to get these tires taken off and rebalanced to replace that. So I found this kit. It's a AME tire valve tool, item number 51025. And basically what it is a tapered cone, and the small end is a 1/2 inch in diameter, so you can do the 1/2 inch diameter holes, or you can do the 5/8. In this case, this one was 5/8. So the kit came with two 1/2 inch valve stems, or tire valves, and so I couldn't use those, but I had some 5/8 ones. Basically, you just screw that in on the threads, and I kind of coated everything with some silicone dielectric grease. And with the 5/8 one, it doesn't even really fit in the big end of the tube, so I kind of had to stick it in there a little bit at an angle and twist it in there. Once it got in the tube, it really wasn't too bad. It required a bit of force to push it through the tube. Once I got it in there pretty far, I just stuck that right on the hole in the wheel and pushed it through, and then just pulled it back like you normally would if you were coming from the backside, and it went right in. And then the kit also comes with this hook. I guess it's supposed to be for removing the old one. Mine actually kind of blew out of there, so I just pulled it the rest of the way out, and I got the whole thing. But pretty neat kit. It was I think it was $30 on eBay. There's some more on Amazon, but with the virus thing, I didn't want to wait forever, so I just got it on eBay, and it honestly seems like it's decent quality. Some of the reviews said that the installation tool came all rusted, but I don't know. Mine came pretty good, and it'll definitely come in handy in the future. Thanks.